Sega says future of gaming includes NFTs and cloud streaming. In an interview about Sega's super game projects, producer Masayoshi Kikuchi talked NFTs in the future. It seems, like some other big video game publishers, Sega is also interested in adding NFTs into future games as revealed in an interview with various executives and producers. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Sega has opened up on its secretive super game initiative, and rather than one game, it looks to be encapsulating to several different games, some of which will include cloud and NFT technology. In an interview with Sega Japan's recruitment website and translated by our friends at VGC, several Sega executives explained that to qualify under the Super Game banner, the new projects must be multi-platform, global multi-language development, simultaneous worldwide release, and AAA titles. In other words, you can imagine that the scale of game development will be that of a global blockbuster, Sega explained. Sega offers a wide range of game content, including hardware and arcade content, which is made possible by its diverse range of technologies, Executive VP Shuji Itsumi added. We have defined Super Game as the development of AAA titles that cross over Sega's comprehensive range of technologies, and we will aim to achieve this in our 5-year plan. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. The Super Game project could also incorporate cloud technology and NFTs, two technologies Sega has recently been getting involved with. Sega producer Masayoshi Kikuchi explained during the same interview. Gaming has a history of expansion through the connection of various cultures and technologies. For example, social networking and game video viewing are recent examples. It is a natural extension for the future of gaming that it will expand to involve new areas, such as cloud gaming and NFT. We are also developing Super Game from the perspective of how far different games can be connected to each other. Sega announced in November that it had agreed a strategic alliance with Microsoft, which will see the Japanese gaming giant develop games using this box firm's Azure cloud platform. Meanwhile, in January, the company registered a trademark for Sega NFT, a week after CEO Haruki Satomi appeared to have cooled on the idea somewhat, acknowledging the current negativity around the NFT landscape. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time.